We love sharing good news, so when one of our customers says something great about us and experiences our 5-star customer service, we have to share it. Here's what one of them had to say. And this review is one of our favorites because we go to great lengths to constantly work on improving our processes to make sure our customers get the best service possible. So online feedback like this is always appreciated, and we love sharing it with others. Find out how our thousands of hours of knowledge and experience can help you. We value our business and want to show you why. Thanks for watching. Call us today. We look forward to working with you. Call us today at the number on your screen and have a great day.
That's our unit for today. We're checking it for a grounded compressor. It keeps tripping the breaker. Although the compressor is only 2 years old, we're going to see what's going on, if it in fact is a compressor or something else is causing it to trip off. Alright, let's get started. Well, here's the first thing I noticed. If you see this, it looks like a 521 or start relay. I think it's got a red sticker on it for the 521. But you have it laying against the cabinet. And it looks like they just laid it in there because it didn't fit into the original start capacitor seating. They have it laid in there like idiots. And it's more than likely the reason why this thing grounded out, because it's grounding to the cabinet. So hopefully that's as simple as this is, and we can get on with our lives. First of all, we're going to check the voltage on the contactor to make sure that that power is cut off. It is, but I just always double check out of habit because of me not wanting to die. And I don't want to be the grounding point for this unit. So we're good to go. So now we're going to disconnect that 521.